Hello, my name is Nate Hartman. I'm the department head in computer graphics technology in the Polytechnic Institute at Purdue University. I'd like to thank you all for being with us today, and I'd like to talk to you about some exciting things going on in our department. Some of you may not be familiar with the Department of Computer Graphics Technology at Purdue, so let me tell you just a little bit about that. Our department is made up of a number of different academic majors. There's games design and development, there's animation and visual effects, there's web design and development, there's user experience design, virtual product integration, building information modeling, and data visualization. And across all of that variety, we have a number of students who specialize in entertainment-focused career paths, in manufacturing-focused career paths, in design-focused career paths, and many, many others. Some of the employers that seek out our students, they range anywhere from Pixar to Boeing to Microsoft to USAA Insurance. We have had the pleasure of working with so many companies in the past, and many of them return to recruit students on an annual basis. Your ability to support us gives those students those kinds of opportunities for those career paths going forward. We are approaching 700 undergraduate students and about 75 graduate students, and with that comes a lot of excitement, but also a certain amount of logistical challenges. We're taking most of those challenges head on, as are most everyone else, with COVID and with the enrollment expansion and with the new building being created, and certainly we're all doing the best we can with that. I'd like to thank you all for contributing to our department, for making generous donations both in time and funds and in equipment, but I would also ask for your support as we move into a room in the new Gateway building. We'll have the Advanced Computer Graphics Laboratory there. And with that, we'd like to be able to outfit that room with the newest workstations, the newest computing hardware, and the newest virtual and augmented reality technology that we can buy. And so with that, I would like to ask for your contributions to support that room, whether it be in the form of funds or in the form of equipment. I'd also like to thank you all very much for giving to us for scholarships for CGT students. This is incredibly important for us as we grow our program and as we try to be more competitive in the students that we recruit. This gives us an opportunity to offer opportunities for students who might be first-year college students, who might be first-generation college students, but also students that may want to come here from other universities or other places. And so with your generous donation of those funds, we're often able to offer them scholarships that allow Purdue's offer to be more competitive than other schools. And finally, I'd like to offer you all an invitation to come and visit us. As soon as COVID is over and everyone comes back to traveling, I'd like to offer you all the opportunity to come and see us, come and engage with our students, come and engage with our faculty, and come and see the exciting things that we're doing in computer graphics technology at Purdue. Thank you.